Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you guys remember this client from a previous video, but I am here with an 8-month update on how his journey is going. I covered up his thinning by turning his locks into wicks. If you haven't seen that video, I will go ahead and post it right here. And of course, this is what it looks like after we finished. I normally put his hair in a style like this. He prefers to wear his hair pulled back, so this is one of his favorites. So my client comes about every 2 months or so to get his wicks retightened, and this is month 8. I haven't posted any in-between updates since then, but here we are. So he's got a lot of new growth this time, and we're gonna do a detox, and I'm just going to show you guys in sped up mode how I retightened his wicks. If you guys want to see a video on how I retighten wicks, I have already posted one. Here's the link. Conveniently, my camera cut off before I could finish showing the retightening. However, this is the amount of new growth he has in his middle area. Here is the after. I did braid his hair back again, but I did not get a final picture. It slipped my mind, honestly, but this is the result of his retightening. If you stayed this long, thank you for watching. Here is 8 months ago versus now. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe.